Hey guys, it's Kim, and I am preparing for a trip with my two girls by myself. My husband is staying home because he has to work. I'm going to go visit some family, and my girls are ages 4 and going to be 2 very soon. So I will be flying with them myself, and I just wanted to share with you what I'm packing in our carry-on bags to help hopefully make this go smoothly. I shared a similar video probably a year ago now, and I'll leave that link below. And that is flying with a not quite 1-year-old and a 3-year-old. I hope you guys find this helpful, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. So since I'm flying by myself, I wanted to make sure what I'm carrying on is as simple as possible. This is a Jujube Mini Bee, and this is a Jujube XY base. They are absolutely great, both of them. So in this bag is my daughter's. She is 4 and carries that bag for preschool. But with all the stuff it's filled with, there's no way she's going to actually be carrying it. So I expect to be carrying both of these bags. I'm also bringing a stroller just because it's easy to then carry the bags on it as well as both of the kids. I have a bad hip, so I can't carry my toddler, especially through a whole airport. So the stroller is going to be essential, and that is super easy to just check at the gate. And then these bags will come with us. I'm also going to be using just one large suitcase for all of us, and I will be checking that as soon as we get to the airport. So I'll start with my daughter's bag. This is just toys. In here I have just some story cards that we got at Chick-fil-A. They're like little question prompts, like what's your favorite color, or what would you do in a certain situation. And a little set of goldfish. Then inside here, this bag is great because you can open it up and see everything inside. I just have some lacing cards here, a bag of Wiki sticks. In here I have some markers, and these are like the Color Wonder, so if my youngest, starts coloring all over everything, they won't make a mess. And I have that paper in the back here, the mess-free coloring pad here. And then I also have some crayons to go with this notebook for my daughter, my oldest daughter, and some stickers in a little pocket here. Have 2 water wows, one for each of them. These are a little bit bulky, but they absolutely love them and can color with them for like an hour. So 2 water wows. I have a boogie board here, so this is like you use these little ends and it colors on there, and then you push the button and the ink disappears. It's super thin, so I thought I'd throw it in there. And I have a bunch of really thin books, maybe like 5 of them here. So my girls love to read, so they will flip through these and I will read them to them, and that will take at least an hour of their time. Here's another one. And then finally, I have this magnetic playhouse, so they can move the little magnet pieces around. And it's nice that it has like a little tray, so they're not gonna slip all over the place, hopefully. That's the worst, when you have to like dive around on the floor of the airplane to catch things that have fallen. That is all of like the busy stuff that I'm bringing for them. So I will show you what I have in this bag. In this front zipper pocket here, I have this small Jujube set piece that I have all of our charging cables and headphones in. So that's all that in there. And then there's also room for me to slide my phone in there. In this side pocket here, I have a small purse. So I plan to wear this. It's like a wallet type purse. So I plan to wear this. It has all my cards in there. And then I can throw boarding passes and things like that. So when I'm in the airport needing to grab out my ID and boarding passes and things like that, it can be really easy to access. And then, as you saw, it fit in this pocket perfectly. So when we board the plane, I don't have to worry about my purse because it can just slip right into that front pocket. This side pocket here, I have my daughter's water bottle. I'm just bringing one for the both of them. And this is the Thermos Funtainer. Then in this bag, I absolutely love how it opens up. You can see everything inside without anything falling out. Sorry, doing this one-handed is kind of tricky. So you can see I can pull that down, see everything inside, and nothing is moving at all. So on top, I have my daughter's headphones. I'll link those below. They're just from Amazon, and we really like them. They're cute. Like I said, you can see everything in here. It's super easy to access. In the back, this is like a padded pocket. I have our iPad. Wow, that case is messy. And then a water bottle for myself. I have a travel-on case that has our hand sanitizer, antibacterial wipes, some hand lotion, and tissues. There are pockets, mesh pockets, on the front and the back of this bag, but they're just a little bit too narrow and tight for most of the things I need, so I prefer just to pouch pack. In this Jujube Quick, I have diapers. I am using disposable diapers instead of cloth for traveling. I have 5 or 6 of them, and then a Huggies wipe pouch, as well as a Jujube changing pad, and this is just one of the thin, light ones. And then in here, I have snacks. This is a large Jujube set piece. And I have crackers and bars and apples, and that should be plenty to keep them, you know, busy on a plane ride. And then at the very bottom, I have changes of clothes. This is just a tank top for me. For some reason, if my shirt gets dirty or peed on or puked on or whatever, I have a t-shirt here, a tank top. And then I have a change of clothes for my oldest, and it all rolled up together, and a change of clothes for my youngest. So that is everything I have. I'm really liking how everything is so easy to access. So hopefully if I need something, I'm not gonna be digging around. That's the worst thing, especially when you have 2 on your own, is when you're trying to look for something and you just feel like a mess. So, also for the iPad, I have downloaded the libraries app called Libby. I'm not sure if all libraries have it, but our county library has. And before the trip, I downloaded a bunch of different books for the girls, and then I did the same thing on our Netflix. I downloaded a couple of TV shows. The iPad hopefully will just be, you know, an emergency because they have all this fun stuff to do, and my girls are usually pretty good at not being dependent on, you know, the iPad. So we shall see. That again, this is my first time flying with both of them. So wish me luck, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll catch y'all next time.